Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home, stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Students, before we start anything, let's pray to God. Everyone join your hands, close your eyes, start 3 times Omkara. स्टार्ट गायत्री मंत्र ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Everyone rub your hands. Put it on your face and slowly open your eyes. Okay students, what we had learned in our last video, we learned this one page number 66 है ना, number grids and then smaller and greater number, smallest and greatest number है ना. There are many numbers, we have to find out small numbers and the smallest and greatest. Okay beta, how you doing your work daily and daily? You have to finish your daily's work, because if you are skip one day and then next day there is a lot of work. Okay, so don't skip single days and do your work properly. After our this week means 26, 20, 27, 28 first till first date you have 2 holidays for your Janmashtami break. Enjoy on that day है ना. Nowadays is your study day है ना, so you have to do your work. Okay students, and today's our work is our textbook page number 67, and here is what, here is your heading, your today's concept is put the sign greater than, less than or equal in the box. Okay, there are so many numbers, you have to put the your correct sign. I already explained that so many videos before this video. Fish always open its mouth on a big number. What is this? This is the fish mouth. Okay, this is the V shape जो है, this is the fish mouth है, वो open करेगी big number के पास, where it's open on a big number, and this is your small number should be here. Suppose I am drawing small fish here. Okay, so here is your big number. Which number is this? Suppose this is the 58. Okay, here is the big number, and if here is one more number, small number, 18 is here. Clear? This is the small example. मैंने आपको बताया कि जो फिश ओपन वाला पोर्शन है ये वाला, वहाँ पे फिश ऑलवेज ओपन अपना माउथ करेगी, मीन्स योर बिग नंबर शुड बी हियर. ओके, एंड योर स्मॉल नंबर शुड बी हियर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? लेट्स स्टार्ट. हियर इज योर फर्स्ट नंबर 36 and 63. So in a 2-digit number, what should you do? You have to look at ones place. Here is 3, here is 6. So you know 6 is greater than 3. So put your sign like this, okay? Here, next one. Here is tens place 9, here is 1. So you know very well 9 is greater than 1. So put your sign like this. Next one, 45, and here is 45. So 45 is equal to. Which sign is this? This is the equal to sign, okay? Now next number, 47 and 87. So what should we do? We have to look at tens place. Here is 4 and here is 8. So 8 is greater than 4. So put the sign like this. You do work with me, okay? मेरे साथ ही आप work complete करोगे. So mama has no hesitation, okay? परेशान नहीं रहेगी मम्मा को. चल. Now next number is, here is tens place 8 and here is 1. So 8 is greater number. So please open its mouth on a 8 number, okay? So here is number is 80. Put your sign like this. Next one, 808. Here is tens place 8. Here is 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So fish has opened its mouth on a number 90. Okay, this is the open portion. Clear? Now next one. Here your tens place 7 and here is 1. So 7 is greater than 1. So put your sign like this. 74 is greater number. 75, here is 7 and here is 1. Is the same like above, ऊपर की तरह ही है. 7 is greater than 1. So this number is greater 75. Now next number, here is tens place 1 and here is 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So fish has opened its mouth on number 20. Okay. For put the correct sign. This is your CW and your homework is in worksheet page number 13. Which page? Page number 13, question 14. Put the correct sign. This portion is your homework for you. Put the correct sign. Okay. I had already skipped this previous video because today's work is same. So CW is this one in a textbook and homework is in worksheet. Write your date and homework beta. Okay. Let's move to the next concept, and our next concept is ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. नंबर को order देना है. In your family, you can see smallest to bigger members in your family. Smallest to biggest. So जैसे आप फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहे हो तो यू आर स्मॉलेस्ट. आपसे बड़े आपके भाई बहन है तो वो बिगर में आएंगे. उससे बिगर मम्मा, उससे बिगेस्ट फादर और उससे लास्ट में बिगेस्ट ग्रैंडमा, ग्रैंडपा. ओके. This is your family ascending order. First of all, one more time, listen it. Ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Ascending means small to big. Ascending means small to big. जिससे आपकी फैमिली में आप स्मॉल नंबर टू बिग नंबर फैमिली मेंबर्स तक जाते हो, वैसे ही यहाँ here we have to arrange the number in ascending order. Okay, let's start. Here is your first number 41. What should we do? Here is 1 to 100 number तक है. ठीक है. So 1 to 9 is a single digit number. So single digit number is smaller than 2 digit या तो double digit number. 2 digit number से 1 digit number छोटा होता है. Okay. So first you have to, if there is a single digit number, so write it first. Then after, if 2 digit number, so what you do, you have to look at tens place and ones place. If your tens place is same, so you have to look the ones place. Okay, let's start. Here is 41, 6, 71 and 12. So 6 is single digit number. So it is smallest than this number. So write your 6 first and cut it down. Next number 41, 71 and 12. Here is 4, 7 and 1. So you know very well 1 is smallest than 4 and 7. So write your next number 12, cut it down. Next one 4 is 4 and 7. So 4 is smaller than 7. So your next number is 41 and your 71 is your last number. Okay. Everyone done? Next number is 96, 26, 66, 86. Okay. So what should we do? We have to look at tens place. Here is 9, 2, 6 and 8. Which one is smallest among these? 2 is the smallest among these. So write your 26 here. Cut it down. Next one. 6 is smallest from the last 3. So 66 is your next number. Cut it down and write it here. Next number is 86 and 96. Okay. So 88 is smaller than 9. So your next number is 86 and at last 96. Clear, students? Hope you all are understand. Now next one. 1. I am just looking on only tens place. Here is 1, 4, 7 and 6. So you know very well 1 is smaller than this other numbers. So write your 1, 0, 10 here. Next one 4, 7 and 6. So 4 is smallest from 7 and 6. So your next number be a 40. Next is 7 and 6. So 6 is smaller than 7. So next number is 60 and at last your number is 70. It's a small to big. 10, 40, 60, 70. Okay. Let's move to the next number. Here is 4, 5, 1, 7, 3, 5 and 5, 6. So here is ones place 1. Here is 4, here is 3, here is 5. So 1 is smallest from these. So 17 is your first number. Next one 4, 3 and 5. So 5 is the biggest. You know that. So 4 and 3, which one is smaller? 3. So cut it down 35 and you write your 35 number here. Next one 4 and 5. So 4 is smallest than 5. So next number is 45 and at last 56. Okay, cut it down and write here. Hope you all are understand and you are doing well. Work with me. Okay students, now your next heading is descending order. Descending means big to small. Descending means big to small. Big to small. Okay, means we have to step down. If it is your staircase, so biggest number, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, and at last the smallest number. Okay students, let's start big to small. Just we look only tens place first. Okay, if it is single digit number, so it comes at last. Okay, let's find. Here is 1, 3, 4 and here is 2. 2 is single digit number, so it is at last. Okay, now 4, 3, 1. So 4 is the biggest from these 3 numbers. So write your 41 here, cut it down. Next one 1 and 3. So 3 is bigger than 1. So next number be a 36 and next is 118 and 2 is single digit number, it comes at last. Okay students, cut it down beta. Now in a tens place, here is a 1, here is 2, here is 2 and here is 1. So what should we do? Look here this 2 number is in a tens place same. अगर टेंस प्लेस सेम आ रही है तो what should we do? We have to look for ones place. Here is ones place 9 and here is 8. So 9 is the okay. Listen, first 1 से ही greater than 2 है. So here is 2 and here is 2. 2 is same. So here is ones place 0 and here is 3. So your first number is 23. Write it down. Next one, this is the tens place 2, so this is the next number, and then after 1 9 and 1 8. So 1 is the same in a tens place, so 9 and 8 is smaller than 9, so your next number will be 19 and at last is your 18. Okay, now here is one tens place 6 1 2 7. So which one is greatest from this? So 7 is greatest among this. So here is 76. Cut it down, write it here. From next 3 number, which one is smallest? Biggest. 6 1 and 2. So 6 is biggest, then 1 and 2. So your next number will be 66 and at last 1 and 2. Which one is bigger? 2 is bigger than 1. So your next number will be 2 and at last your number is 1 and it is 16. Okay. Let's students, next number. Here is 1, here is 7, 8 and 2. Which one is biggest number from this? 8 है ना. So 8 is number is 86. So write your 86 first. Cut it down. Next one 1 7 and 2. So 7 is biggest from 1 and 2. So write your next number is 71. And next 1 and 2. So you know 2 is greater than 1. So next number will be 21 and at last 1 7 17. Okay students, here is your arrange the ascending descending order is complete in your textbook and in your worksheet. Okay, there is this question is your homework. Which is your homework? Homework 18/7. Write your date and CW beta. Page number 14, question number 18 and 19. Okay, this one is your ascending descending homework. Now here is your running sums. Means what is here? What comes before, after and between. Okay, जो नंबर है उसी के पहले वाला नंबर है, इट्स कॉल्ड बिफोर नंबर. नंबर के बाद वाला नंबर है, इट्स कॉल्ड आफ्टर नंबर. एंड दो नंबर के बीच वाला नंबर इट्स कॉल्ड बिटवीन नंबर. ओके students, this all number 51 to 100 we have to speak so many times है ना, in textbook, notebook and worksheet when our videos was there. Okay, so this number should be set in your mind. अपने mind में set हो जाना चाहिए. If number is set in your mind, it's very easy for find out to number before and after. Okay, let's find how to do it. Here is 49. So this arrow is the in before of this number. So here we have to write before number. Okay, चले. Here is 4. So 4 9 49. 49 का before number. So you write there 4 as it is. 4 9 before 8. So 48 is your before number. Okay, 48 is your before number. Next one 3 9. उसके आफ्टर में जो आपको ब्लैंक्स दी है मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट हियर आफ्टर नंबर. तो कैसे आएगा? इफ यू प्रैक्टिस लॉट. अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस की है तो आ जाएगा. जैसे 39 है तो स्टार्ट 3 9 39 एंड 4 0 40, या तो फिर 3 का आफ्टर नंबर इज 4 और 9 is a 0. Okay, 3 9 39 4 0 40. Next one 49 50 51. Next number 11 12 13. Okay, let's move to the next page. Listen students, here is in your textbook there is a no, it's small only before after and between number. Okay, so let's move to in your worksheet page number 14. Here is the question, write your date and CW. Okay, let's write what comes, कौन सा नंबर आता है. चलो फर्स्ट इज हियर बिफोर. ओके, हियर वी हैव टू राइट बिफोर नंबर 5 8 58. So 5 as it is or 8 before 7. So your number is 57. Now 36. So 3 as it is and 6 before 5. Next 64. So 6 as it is and 4 before 3. 63. Okay. Next one 99. What is the before of 99? 9 as it is or 9 before 8. 98. Okay students, so in your before number this 4 is your CW, remain 3 is your homework. Next number between number, it's so easy, is same as after number. जो फर्स्ट डिजिट होता है उसका आफ्टर नंबर लिख लो, इट शुड बी बिटवीन नंबर हो जाता है. ओके, लेट्स स्पीक 5 1 51 5 2 52 5 2 52 and 53 already here. Next one 9 8 98 9 9 99 100 100. Next one 5 6 56 5 7 57 5 8 58 here already. 7 3 73 7 4 74 75 is here. Next one in between number this 4 is your CW and remain is your homework. Next after number 7 6 76 7 7 77 6 3 63 6 4 64 7 7 77 7 8 78 8 0 80 8 1 81. Okay students, so this is your CW portion and remain is your homework. Okay students, do your work on time and don't be lazy. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye.